Hello guys! In this video, I will tell you what is futures trading on OKX Exchange and how to use them in this trading platform. In this video, I am using one of the most popular exchanges at the moment. I recommend everyone to try OKX. It's really good. And by the way, you can get a welcome bonus of $1,000 using my promo code, which you can see now on the screen, or just use the link in the description. Okay, let's get started. Open your account, and if you have some crypto on your funding wallet, you have to transfer it to the trading wallet. You can use USDT to trading futures. Just go to USD margined perpetual futures and select a cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin or Litecoin, whichever you prefer. Here I'm choosing Bitcoin to USDT. Okay, now you have the workspace. This looks pretty cool. That's very similar to the classic trading. But trading on the futures, you can earn a lot of more money. So, what's the futures trading? This is similar to classic trading, but OKX Exchange lends you money when you buy or sell an asset. For example, you have only $100, so you can buy Litecoins for $2,500 because you have X25 leverage. And then when it reaches some value, you can sell it. You will get your $100 and profit from this deal, so you can get much more money for one deal. Or if this price goes down, you will lose your $100 or part of that money, but no more. And also, you can sell coins without having them. OKX Exchange gives you the equivalent of your USDT in these coins. And when you close the order, you buy this coin, and it converts to USDT back. So you can sell it before buying. You make the deal in reverse order. You buy the coin when you think it will rise in price and sell when you think it will drop. For example, Bitcoin costs $20,000 and you have only $100. For example, you take X125 leverage from the OKX Exchange. So you buy Bitcoins for $12,500. Then Bitcoin rose to 25000. Now you close the deal, and you get $3,150 in profit. That's really cool. But there is one thing. If this price drops to 19840, you will lose your $100. So it's very risky to trade here. You can minimize the risks by setting stop loses and take profits. You set stop lose value to prevent the loss of all your money. Like if this price drops to 19970, you will lose only $20 instead of $100, and you will be able to continue trading. Take profit is the price when the order closes automatically. You need this so you don't miss out on a good closing price. Okay, let's talk about the interface. Here you select what currency you want to trade. There are a lot of coins. You can add to favorite assets which do you trade the most, so you can fast switch between them. This is the current price and index price. You can see here the chart of the changing the coin price. This is the order book that shows the prices and volume of buying and selling deals. This part is your dashboard. Price. This is at what price you want to buy or sell the coin. You can use the price from the order book. Just click on the price you want. Or you can buy or sell it with the current market price. To do this, just go to the Market tab. Amount is how much money you want to put in the new order. I can put only $100 because that's all I have. Then you can change the margin mode. Isolated. For example, in 100 leverage, if my position drops by $100, the order will be closed and my margin will be liquidated. When I use the cross type, and if my position drops by $100, then this position will take margin from other. You opened, and you can lose more money. Then set the leverage. How much money you want to take from OKX Exchange for this deal. Your margin will be multiplied by this number. I'm going to put it on X10 for myself. So I will buy Bitcoins for $1,000 by using and risking only my $100. Set the take profit and stop loss so you don't lose all your money. Here you can set the prices or the percentages of these values. For example, 10% for the profit and 0.5% for the loss. I want to buy, so I set this values on the Buy long tab. If you want to sell, do it on another short tab. Then you can buy or sell the coin. Buying is also called long, and selling is short. And now I just make a long position by clicking this green button. As you can see, a new position has been created. You can see your position and closing values on the chart. You can see I have set not good values of the profit and loss. You can change it just by pressing this TPSL button, and then set the prices you want. You can also see how much you will get or lose when this position will be closed. And also, you can drag and drop take profit and stop loss on the chart. I recommend you to set stop losses and take profits. Don't be a loser. Guys, and a very important point. If something goes wrong, you can always close a position instantly by clicking on the button Close All right here. And to open a regular order to close a position at the desired price, next to it you can see the button Close and Fields, where you can enter your price and amount. Let's talk about the chart. This is a candlestick chart. One candlestick is the changing price for the selected interval. In my case, it's 1 minute. You can change this interval. Green candlestick means the price has increased in this interval, and red means the price has fallen. And also we have this thin line that shows the maximum and minimum prices for this time. And the last parameter is trading volume. It's how much coins has been bought or sold within this time interval. This is actually all what you have to know about futures to start trading. Friends, I want to remind you about a special promo code for my viewers that will activate the welcome offer on OKX Exchange. Or just open an account using the link from the description and the code will be automatically inserted. Actually, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.